Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I am engineer Yahanullah. My dear viewer, today my topic is about tile quantity. How to find the number of tile required for a floor. Now let's start. For example, this is floor area, dimension is 15 feet by 15 feet. And this is tile, the size of tile is 2 feet by 2 feet. Formula used for finding the number of tile is equal to total floor area divided by area of one tile. First of all, we need to find the area for floor area. Floor area equal to 15 feet by 15 feet. Floor area equal to 225 square feet. And then we need to find one tile area. Area of one tile equal to 2 feet by 2 feet, which equal to 4 square feet. Now put the value in above formula for finding the number of tile. Number of tile equal to 225 divided by 4, which area is area of one tile. Number of tile equal to 56.25 number, say 57 number. Thank you so much for watching. Inshallah, see you with another video. My dear viewer, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new update. Bye bye.